Welcome back to another video with the Traveling Trader. We're going to check in on Tesla and SPY. This is early morning, midday morning movement. As you can see already on the day chart, Tesla is looking to reverse this bearish sentiment. Right now, prices about 220, and it seems to be holding it. It's been holding it all morning pretty good. It tried to push back down before pushing back up to hold above 220. 220 on Tesla is a good price to hold. It's still early in the day. This could either become green or push down and still become bearish. We had some big bearish candles the last few days, and it's just early in the morning, so I don't even think that overall move has been made yet on Bitcoin. If we go down to the hour chart of today, let's see. Yeah, I think we're now just getting into... Oh, nope, I might have spoke too soon. Well, no. Yeah, market just opened on an hour chart. Market just opened. Let's go to 30 minutes. 9:30. Yeah, we're just now getting into it. That could either be a push up and then reversal. I would like to see Bitcoin come whole about 22.2, or sorry, 222 before I say we're changing the tone on Bitcoin. I even have an alert set here about the same price. I'm watching Bitcoin as well. I am also a option trader, so I do look for these nice moves when I'm buying my options. I don't have any today. I'm more so just sitting back watching the market. Let's tick down to about a 15 minute, see what the 15 minute is doing. And again, looks like the first move. Typically the market gives you about 1 to 3 good moves, and this looks like here is the first one. If you would have been able to see this and buy at this low to then maybe sell here or even hold still, you would have had made some decent money all before 10 o'clock this morning, which me personally, I love to get in and out of the market. I do not like holding options for hours, sitting in front of the computer for hours when I do not have to. If I can get in and make money in the first 2 hours, 3 hours of trading, I am good with that. I get out and I finish the rest of my day. I have other things to do than to just sit and watch candlesticks all day, as I'm pretty sure most of us do. Oh, can I undo that? That's fine. Let's just push it back up here. I'm pretty sure we were somewhere in here. Yeah, it's a little early, but I do see this move here forming. Will this be the overall move for today? We don't know just yet. We need a little more time to say so. As you can see, it's getting a little exhausted here at that 20 or 222 place, and you might need to pull back before most likely pushing up a little bit higher. Like I said, I'm looking for 225 as the next break and hold area. Let's shoot over to SPY real quick and see what we have on SPY. Let's look at the day. I like to sometimes use the bars. The bars, I feel like, give more of an idea. As you can see here on this bar, price started here, pushed way up to here before pushing back down and then settling a little bit higher than what it opened. This is on the day chart, so this was yesterday. Same thing here. Price has started here, pushed up. Typically, what you see with green candles on Tesla is start here, push up start here at some point, push below before maybe pushing up. So you typically, right now, we don't even have a push below, a trial below place, which I would imagine at some point today we do get is a push down. Even if we end up green, we do push down and try lower prices first. That's the day chart, and then we're going to switch over to candlesticks and zoom out here a little bit. This is, are we still on the day chart? This is the day chart. That's what we're watching on the day chart. Let's back up here. This is the 4-hour. Price pushed down to about 417 before having to then push back up, creating a little bit of a bull move here. Not that big of one just yet, and I wouldn't even probably enter into a trade just yet. If you were savvy enough to catch this is a little bit of a move, but it's looking to slow down here above. And again, I'm looking for 425 personally, the break and hold. If we can't break and hold past 425, then we're going to just end up pushing back down below it, back into the chop zone, back into the 420 zone on SPY. Let's tick down to a 15-minute and see what the day has made so far. On the 15-minute, so here was yesterday, 2 really solid moves yesterday. Here was one you could have caught if you would have been in at 10. It lasted until about 1 before pushing back. Here's that second move. If I had to pick between the two, I would have loved to have just caught this one, been done at 1 o'clock for the day. If not, then you had a second chance to catch another move. And then it looks like we have a nice bullish move here. Although a bit choppy, it is still a bullish move. If you're still holding anything here, I would be looking to maybe short that position out, because as you can see, these candlesticks are now turning, and it's hard to hold the 423 place marker. You could probably buy your puts here and start making some money. I might even look at some puts personally here now that I see that this price is trying to reverse on the 15-minute mark. We're pushing about 8 minutes now. Let's go to about 10. Here's one of my personal follows. And again, the things I follow all have something to do with each other. Tesla is in the SPY. SQQ is the opposite of QQQ, which does the opposite of SPY and Tesla. As you can see, they're both green. This is red. So I use this sometimes to, and options on SQQ are just way cheaper. So you can almost get in here on a $25, $30, $11 option play to see what it does, and then use that information then to go and make your bigger move. It's just a nice little trick I learned. I can buy a put here for $11. Whether it does good or bad, it gives me enough information to then go and make a bigger move on one of these two tickers, SPY or Tesla. But right now, let's back up here. The day on SQQ, which if you follow QQQ or like QQQ, literally is just the opposite. So far, kind of a bearish start to the day after having some really big candles. I knew we were going to have to come back and retest some price actions. As you can see, broke out of my range a little bit, which is fine. They price typically does that before having to come back under, broke out again, and I'm not really sure which way price is going. Let's tick down here a little bit and see if we can get some more detail. Oh, that gives us a lot more detail. Price broke out, and now we're looking to push back under our line here, which is about $20.50. I would like to see this price push back under $20, probably closer to 19.75, before then inevitably pushing back out if these end up pulling back at all, which, as you can see right now, they're both in the green. All right, that's pretty much it. Again, it's super early. I'll probably be back midday or to this evening with another video, but this is the early morning, midday recap of Tesla SPY, and that is all I have for you guys right now. Make sure you guys please like, subscribe, and share if you like the content. If you drop comments of tickers you want me to look at, I will. Make sure you're following me, and I'll make a video for that asset. All right, signing off.